In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop message requests on Facebook Messenger. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Facebook Messenger app and then right here hit at your profile picture to open up settings. Then hit on privacy and message delivery, and there you can set up message delivery feature for that specific categories of users. The first category is people with your phone number. You can hit on that and switch it from chats, that is by default, to don't receive requests if you want to stop receiving requests from that category of users. And in the same way, you can open up friends of friends on Facebook and your followers on Instagram and others on Facebook, others on Instagram, and you can set up each of that categories as you want. But that option doesn't stop messages such as from your Facebook friends and from Marketplace. So if some specific user bothering you with their messages, you can always go here to your conversations list, then tap at that conversation, next hit at that person's name, scroll down to the very bottom and hit on block. And now here you can select between two different options. The first is block messages and calls, and the second is block on Facebook. Select one of those options and block that user. I hope it helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.